Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is the Signature Shot by BelleTress's Cafe collection in the color Cola with Cherry. Now this is a very pretty, warm, medium brown that has some medium auburn in it, a little bit of caramel brown. So it's very, very pretty, and as you can see, it's also a rooted color. This is very pretty, this wig. It's very similar to the Miranda by Amore in that it's got all this layering on top, though I would say the hair density on this one, even though they're very similar cuts, this hair density is a little bit lighter, a little bit more natural feeling. And the hair quality, even though this is a heat-friendly synthetic, feels really lovely. It has a really nice sort of satiny, silky feel to it, and it moves really well too for a heat-friendly synthetic. The bangs are 7.5 inches on Signature Shot. The sides down are 12, but then, you know, gotta kind of pay attention to how layered this thing is. The nape is 15 inches, and so the overall length from the top to the bottom is 20 inches. Let me show you what this one looks like all the way around. Signature Shot has a lace front, which is really nice and dense. She also has a monofilament top, which if I part it in some very awkward places, you can really see those knots well. Yeah, I like this one. It's really nice and it's thinned out at the bottoms, and it's just really cute. I'm going to go ahead and take this one off now so I can show you what the cap construction on Signature Shot is like. Signature Shot has a hand-dyed lace front and monofilament top with a bit of fuzzy felt kind of lining the perimeter of the monofilament top. It's open on the sides, and in the back it has an extended nape, and it adjusts a bit like a bra strap in the back, with closed lace here on the ear tabs. And this wig is relatively stretchy, though I consider it a bit snug on. Here is a better look at that mono top. My finger underneath it. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on now. And that's all there is to it. This is the Signature Shot wig from BelleTress in the color Cola with Cherry. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my wig reviews. Hopefully you'll watch them a whole bunch more. And until next time, I hope you have a great night. Bye-bye.